be really fun. I'm taking you on a trip with me to REI. So it was just Father's Day a couple of weeks ago. My daughter gave me an REI gift certificate. I have my quarterly gift certificate, or my quarterly balance that I have with REI. So I'm going to combine the two and hopefully pick out something kind of unique and fun. Now, I don't need anything per se at REI, but I just love that spot. Great to get camping stuff and especially car camping gear. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to pick up something fun, see what's there. And I have a strategy that I'll share with you every time I go to not only REI, but any store. But this is going to be a fun, quick trip. Okay, so the last time I was here at REI, I think I was picking up some stuff for my Jetboil MiniMo, which is still one of the best pieces of equipment that I bought this year that I really love. I got that courtesy of some birthday gift certificates. So today we're going to use the Father's Day gift certificates and see what I can find. I don't really have a plan in place in terms of what I need because I have a lot of good stuff from REI already. Okay, stop number one, trying to get a sleeping bag. Let's see if I can find the one that I saw online. Okay, so these are the MiniMos. A little wider. It looks like this is the one that I want. I think I'm gonna get the jet black one. Still looks like the coolest thing for me. Okay, so I have a little extra money because I'm now a member of REI, 30 bucks. And I think I'm gonna pick up this camping gear to eat thing that all folds in together. It looks pretty cool. It's about 24 bucks. And that'll use up some of my money. Yeah, I have a theory about clearance items. Always check it out because you never know, you might get a really good deal that you're not expecting. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so here's the deal. He says they're not on sale anymore, but I can talk to customer service. I'm gonna try these out. Okay, I really like them. I want to see if I can get them on sale. If I can get everything on sale, then I'll be okay with my gift certificates. So we'll see. Okay, before I decided to check out, I came back over to the sleeping bags. I'm gonna lay in a couple of them, and the one that I picked actually is a little too tight. So we're looking for another sleeping bag. let's go see what they have today. Let's see what we can pick up. Maybe we'll add to the car camping gear and have a little fun with it. Okay, so here's one of my theories. You always want to check out anything that's on sale. You may not necessarily need it at the time, but if there's a really good enough deal, you might want to pick it up, especially if it's in clearance. I really love Yeti coolers, but I still just can't justify the price. Oh, maybe I need a refrigerator that I can charge in my car. I just don't know why. No, I mean, I get that people use these kind of just add water food things, but I love chefing it up. Would it be cheating if I got one of these and used it? Or maybe if I made my own and brought it with me in a pack. That water jug isn't bad. I wanted a more harder, you know, kind of shell water thing, and this could be it. It's only 20 bucks. So I gotta find somebody to ask a couple questions. This one over here, the blue one, is 7 gallons. The gray one is only 5 gallons, and might be the right size for me. Okay, it's a good thing you ask questions. The gray one here, 24 bucks. The blue one, still 20 bucks, and it's larger. Gonna go check the used section out. You never know when somebody just brought something back and it might be good. So let's check out to see if there's a bargain there. No, just simply no to Birkenstocks. Nothing really in the clearance section. Let's go check out the used section. I gotta be honest, some of these things are still way expensive. And I'm in the used section, so right now the water jug is looking like the best bargain for me. Let's keep looking around the store.
Yeah, I know it's on sale, but $269. The sale, flash sale, is $187. That is still way too much for a jacket. I really like this jacket. It's $100 and more than I wanted to spend, but with a gift certificate, could be good. They're not Birkenstocks, but still, no. So there you have it. My trip to REI was a success. I got a water jug, which I needed. It's a hard jug, which I was really looking forward to. And then I picked up a jacket that I wasn't really expecting to pick up, but I really like the jacket, and it's just gonna be a nice addition. You know, again, coming to REI is always fun. It's always dangerous because I always end up spending more money than I need to, but I really like the trip. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then, of course, you can follow me on my website at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, explore, hike, camp, do whatever you can outside. I think you'll really enjoy and have fun. And then if you have to come to a place like this, REI, which I really love, hold on to your wallet because you're going to end up spending a lot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.